Being an Apple user, you always need to face issues like not being able to reset iPhone or not being able to connect to the App Store. You may don't know how to fix these issues. Take it easy, we will tell you about all the possible ways. When your iPhone tells you cannot connect to App Store, how to resolve can't connect to App Store on iPhone. Number 1, try to connect later and check Apple website. Be patient. Issues may resolve. If not, reopen the app. Check Apple's system status page for App Store. Note a time lag if recent. People share complaints on social media if it's down. Number 2, sign out from iTunes and sign in again. Step 1. Launch settings on your iPhone home screen. Then tap on iTunes and App Store. Step 2. Click on your Apple ID, then choose Sign Out to log out the Prevent account. Step 3. Log in again with your Apple ID and password. Number 3. Change a network or use cellular or mobile data. Open Settings, select Wi-Fi or Cellular Mobile. For Wi-Fi, choose a new network, enter the password. For cellular or mobile, enable Cellular Mobile Data. Find App Store, toggle to enable. Number 4. Check the date and time on iPhone. Make sure that your device is showing the current date and time of your location. Many times this issue does not allow access to the App Store. In order to do so, following is the directions. Settings, general date and time. Number 5. Check credit card info. There is also the possibility that you might have connected a credit card to your Apple ID, but it has been expired. Therefore, you need to check. If your linked credit card is still operational, use the following steps. Settings, iTunes and App Store, Apple ID payment.